All right, and we're talking about them being out practicing, and they're doing it for the first time in this cooler weather since they had that bomb.
Yeah, sweater weather has returned. It's here.
It has actually, and behind you, you guys can see those cumulus clouds that are coming in off of the lake. Beautiful kind of juxtaposition of dark clouds that are moisture laden and the bright sunshine behind it. You can kind of see how we have areas of sunshine that are showing up here on the Interbelt Bridge. There's shade and shadows here on the east end of the bridge, but then out on the bridge itself, we can see some sun glint coming off of some of the cars. And this comes and goes. So as you are out and about for the rest of the evening, plan on these partly cloudy to mostly cloudy skies. Current temperature at Cleveland, 56. We're going to keep it green as we go through the evening. Even at 9 o'clock, even though it's showing yellow, I really can't figure out why it's showing you yellow, other than we're probably going to really start to see the temperatures dive once the sun sets, and the breezes are still going to be a factor for us. So it's going to feel colder than it actually is, and that will linger into tomorrow morning. The rest of the commute looking pretty good. No accidents to report on major roadways right now, and you can see the folks on I-71 at 271 in Medina County moving right along there, so no big problems on the west side of town. As far as the east side of town, well, that's where the rain is coming down, specifically 90 east past Euclid. You're probably getting some rain showers right now. That'd be portions of Menor out to East Lake, and then Painesville, Fairport Harbor, right out toward Geneva, Geneva on the lake, Ashtabula and Conneaut. This is all lake effect that's coming in. Probably getting an uptick in some of the downpours that are coming through, and then it backs off a little bit. And in the distance, you can see some sunshine. But for the most part, these scattered showers are expected to continue this evening. They'll start to break up a little bit as we get into the overnight. The really chilly air is well out to the east toward Erie, PA. Remember, that's the higher terrain area. We're still sitting in the 50s in most of northern Ohio at this point. Tropical Dover, our hot spot right now at 57 degrees. But again, the wind chills makes it feel like it's in the upper 40s. We do have dry air that's in place, and that's a pretty big part of our forecast for the night tonight. That gives us lots of room to get cooling. And as we cool down, we are likely to start to form dew. So the temperatures chill back into the 30s. We start to reduce the capacity of the atmosphere to hold on the moisture that's in the atmosphere, and that's when we start to have dew that's falling. It gets really complicated when that dew is falling on frozen surfaces, specifically frost potential, and the best chance for that to happen is going to be away from the lake. We get away from that lake's warming influence. You can see clearing skies taking place out here toward Toledo and Bowling Green, Findlay area. This will begin moving in tonight. Now, downwind of the lake, we're still going to have the clouds. We'll still have the rain showers, but the clearing is going to work its way in, and that's where we get that potential tonight for the temperatures to really drop back. All of this is on the south end of a jelly roll system that is sitting north of the Great Lakes right now. Dry air is wrapping into this system. That's going to help to kind of clamp down the strengthening potential of it. But you can see this swirl here. There's a huge area of high pressure that is building in central Canada, and that will help to pinch off the chances for this storm system to come farther west. So it looks like we're going to start to see that drifting back out to the east. It's going to take some time for that to happen, though. Once it does happen, it's just in time for a new storm system to come at us from the west, and that will present rain chances for us by the time we get into the weekend. In the meantime, though, the clearing tonight gives us that frost potential, and frost advisories, Richland, Ashland, Wayne, Holmes, Tuscarawas, and Carroll counties. These are the areas with the most likely widespread frost potential. But I would say Huron, Lorain, Inland, Medina, Summit, Stark, Portage, southern Geauga, probably southern Trumbull too. There's a decent chance that you could see some patchy frost. Anytime our temperatures get into the mid 30s, that's when we get that frost potential going. So inland areas, frost is likely with the 30s tonight. Frost is possible tomorrow night. We'll play with a little bit of trickery with the temperatures tomorrow night, and then Wednesday night doesn't look like we have any frost potential. For the rest of this evening, we will see temperatures fading back into the 40s as mentioned earlier, and the wind gusts not expected to be much of a factor for us tonight, but tomorrow could be a little blustery, so that's going to drop back our wind chills. And as far as the morning temperatures, there you see it. We're going to be in the 30s to begin the day. Look at Millersburg, potentially even getting down to the 32-degree mark, so that's definitely chilly. Real quick peek tonight at your National Designer hour-by-hour forecast, just to show you that that lake effect continues out to the east as we head through the midnight hour and beyond. All right, quick look now at your Union Home Mortgage forecast. Upper 50s tomorrow, and then 60s come back at us. This is a warm air that's coming our way ahead of the next storm system that gets here and brings us rain chances for the weekend. Laura?
All right, Bets, thanks so much. We appreciate it.